Tayo tayo, ma'am. Baka ma-aksidente kayo dyan.
Refreshing drink na yan. Kaya go na kayo at umikot. Dahil after matapos ang program natin, you can still come over here and enjoy cycling while making your own blend. At nandito na si Alden para i-pour ang kanyang Alden blend.